Read with me. This is from Cass, my students. She reminds me why PRM formula matters. Learn by heart, boost confidence, build trust, and kids shine everywhere. Wow! This is how the message is. How PRM positive role model has changed my life. That's the topic. Dear Miss Gina, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my experience as a student in your class and how PRM positive role model has influenced my life. Before joining your class, I was often shy and lacked confidence, especially when speaking English in front of others. Turning on my camera, speaking on stage, or sharing my thoughts publicly made me feel nervous. However, through your guidance and encouragement, I gradually stepped out of my comfort zone and started believing in myself. What makes your class special is not only the English lesson but also the positive environment you create. You teach from the heart and genuinely care about every student. You show us that learning is not only about knowledge but also about personal growth, kindness, courage, and helping others. By observing your dedication, patience, and commitment to serving the community, I have learned what it means to be a true positive role model. One of the biggest lessons I learned from PRM is that leadership is not about being perfect. It is about being willing to step forward, contribute, and support others. I remember the day you gave me the opportunity to stand on stage and help the class. I was extremely nervous, but at the same time, I felt something very special. It reminded me of my childhood when I used to teach neighborhood children. For the first time in more than 25 years, I felt like a teacher again. That experience helped me realize that I still have a passion for teaching and helping others learn. It also gave me confidence to pursue my dream of becoming a teacher in the future. Through PRM, I learned that when we focus on helping others grow, we grow as well. PRM has also changed the way I interact with people. Instead of focusing on mistakes, I try to encourage, support, and uplift others. I understand that nobody is perfect, including myself. However, when we work together and help one another, we can achieve outstanding results. This mindset has made me more patient, more understanding, and more willing to contribute to the success of others. Another important lesson from PRM is the power of gratitude. Through your example, I have learned to appreciate opportunities, value relationships, and recognize the kindness people show me. Every class brings new knowledge, new emotion, and new connection that enrich my life. Today, PRM is not just a topic that I study in class. It has become part of my daily life. I try to live by example, encourage others, continue learning, and contribute wherever I can. Although I still have a long journey ahead, your class has helped me become more confident, positive, and purposeful person. Thank you, Miss Gina, for being such an inspiring teacher and a wonderful positive role model. Your influence goes far beyond teaching English. You inspire people to believe in themselves, to help others, and to become the best version of themselves. With love and gratitude, Cass.